What's up, guys? Today I'll be showing you how to use Top Graph. I think I said that correctly. So I'm gonna make a new world and show you some good things about Top. So like there are many features where you can change like a villager's trades. You can change your blocks. There are tons of things you can do with this cool thing. You can still have no cheats on. You can set like 1,000,000 blocks to diamonds. You can specify which blocks to change. You can change grass to emeralds, grass to diamonds, stone to dirt. I don't know. You can do whatever you want. You can even change your own inventory, so you can add like specially enchanted items. It's pretty cool. You can change like the amplifier of books. Let's just say you got a mending book, but you want like mending 100 or something, even though that won't work. Or like I'm breaking 100, protection 100. I'll be showing you how to change that. So first of all, you're going to want to load up your world, get a villager with whatever you really want. Let me just load it. Okay, so see how I'm in a forest. You see like there are leaves right now. And you see, hold on. Let me just get some blocks and villager spike. Oh yeah, the volume, sorry. Sorry, I'm just used to having like my volume up to max. So I built my little case. You just want to get your, let's just say you're using composter, you can change whatever you want, but I'm going to show you how to make custom villager trades like mending books. So you want to get that. You want to get whatever you want, a lectern if you're going to do what I'm going to do. And you want a bed, obviously, because then they won't take up the trade unless you have a bed. So now he's going to want to sleep, and he's going to change his professions. So now, as you can see, oh, he's one of those. So if he has that, you're going to want to change your lectern. There it is. So if he has that, then you want to swap out your lectern, so he'll become a normal villager, and then he'll trade and change. Like that again. Oh my god. Come on, choose something new. Okay, see, as you can see, you can't see in Pocket Edition, so as you can see, if you click on it, you don't see what it is. You can find it out with Top Graph. You want to hit save and quit. I'm going to also be showing you how to change blocks into other blocks. It is a very cool app. I enjoy it a lot. I'll load it up in a sec. So as you can see, I have my Minecraft folder up. So you want to hit block. Okay, hold on. So as you can see, Top Graph. So you want to swipe out your Minecraft application. For some reason, it will not work. So Top Graph, just look it up on Play Store or iOS. As you can see, my world 1. You just hit that arrow right there. So as you can see, there are chunks loaded up. So you can also see your map. You can swipe over and get all of that. Like the video and comment down below full tour if you want me to like show you all of this stuff and how they work. You can say like villagers, where's the closest village, but sadly enough, they're not my range of chunks that I've explored. So you can just click over here, begin selection, and those arrows right here, those are like the border of how much you want to change. So you can hit selection option, and you can change your range, and you can delete chunks which you've already explored. You can change the biome to like nether even though you're in the overworld. You can like lampshade torches is that. It's kind of weird, I don't understand that. You can like make pictures, say generate picture, and like you can just change your picture kind of like how much blocks. That's kind of hard to explain. So you like take a photo of like your land, and I'm going to show you how to change blocks of grass into glass or change it to stone. So I'm going to do. Shows a waiting symbol, and boom, that all the grass is stone. You can change anything to anything. So if I just hit right here, click on another chunk, hit cancel selection, boom, all that's stone after I load it up. And to see like villagers, you want to hit chunk entity EBT. So you want to click on that folder up there, scroll down till it says, hold up, you want to keep on scrolling down, offers, recipes, and these are like the type of things. So this is what he buys. He buys paper, 24 paper. You can change it to 1 if you really want to, and you can change sell to 1 emerald, or you can change it to like 100. So you want to hit offers. So then you can hit the second one, which is what you want to do. You can change the amount of emeralds for the amount of books. So the sad thing about this, you can enchanted book count 1 and tag enchant and click that. ID and level, you need to know that for you to find it out. So I'll load up a page in Minecraft to find out the ID and level. So as you can see, enchantment level ID 34 is unbreaking. And so that doesn't make sense. Oh wait, I need pocket edition. So apparently it's unbreaking even in pocket edition. I don't understand that. But you can change, like, let's just say you want looting. No, swipe down. So just say you want looting. 24 is the ID. So when I go back to your block topograph, and hold up, you have to click on there, hit that. So yeah, it was 21 if I was correct. Yep, 21. You can change the level to like level 100. I will be doing that. There you go. Boom, you have your villager trade. Awesome. So now you want to close out like kind of all this. You can change your XP like award. You can have like 100,000 or like how much XP you get. You can change like what his offhand is. You can change like what item. You can change his skin ID. And you can trade his trade, tire, trade experience, identifiers, like what type of villager. You can change it to 1. It'll change the costume, but not his trades. You can change, like, is a baby, so change it to a baby, is angry, invulnerable, hurt time, fire, distance, fire, is resupplied, dead, filtered to chested. You can change chested items. Like, there's tons of stuff. But I'm not going to go into full detail. You can change it to, like, armor, all of that. So now I've shown you how to do that. You want to hit this save button on the bottom and hit OK. Now, if you do that, it will save everything you've done in the villager trades. Now I'm going to load up my Minecraft world. Oh yeah, another important thing, you want to swipe out your block topograph or it will not work after you load up your Minecraft world. Oh yeah, another thing, you can also change stuff in the end or the nether. You can add like custom marks on the thing. It will not show up in your actual Minecraft world, but let's just say you load a block topograph, not to cheat, just like to check out your chords and all that, or you can find slime chunks, stuff like that. If you haven't seen that video, you can check it out in my channel. there's tons of cool stuff about this app. If you guys don't understand anything, comment down below and I'll like kinda comment onto your own comment if you don't understand, you know? So as you can see, he's still the same villager. And there's stone because of the fill thing. But if I dig down, oh wait, no, it's still gonna be stone. So dirt doesn't change, only the grass does. But if you change the dirt to change, then the dirt will change. So as you can see, if I load up his thing, he still has the enchanting book. But if I get emeralds and a book, so I'm gonna just get emeralds and the book. Boom. I got the emeralds and the book. Click, click. Flame 100. Like, you can change so much stuff about this thing. I love this app. You can, and even if you don't want cheats on, you can still don't have cheats on and it will work. So, as you can see, I got Flame 100 off this guy. Flame 100, that's ridiculous. And since I already traded with him, boom, he still keeps his job. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit that like button down below. And see you guys in the next video.